Okay, hello guys. Today we will be trying slime liquor. I already opened it. I didn't eat it though. So yeah, let's try. Okay, I opened it up. It has like a green covering on the top, but let's try. There's like holes in. I think you're supposed to shake it up. Like I felt like it was supposed to lick the slime liquor, you know? Like I'm just swallowing it.
It's deodorant. You're eating deodorant, Jenna?
No. Well, I can't really lick it. I have to like pour it to my mouth. But it's actually good. It's really sour though.